Good morning, crypto family. It appears the flash crash is over with. Man, I know I was having some definite FUD going on and trying not to panic sell. My portfolio was down 60%. I had about 50-50 split between Bitcoin and altcoins. And this video is just some of my top 3 reasons why I think the flash crash happened and why it was as big a dip as it was. The first reason, I believe, is just some of the regulations going around. I mean, back in 2013, China trying to ban exchanges, there was a big dip then. And here recently in September with them trying to ban the ICOs. So, and just with some more speculation of them trying to follow through and try to do it again. And then the bigger one was South Korea talking that they were wanting to ban it altogether. And then it turns out that they were really just upset about people having hidden exchange accounts. Basically, just you made an account with an alias email and you had no identification to that, so they're fining people for that. So it doesn't breed confidence as far as in the market. Reason number 2, what I thought started some panic selling, was more of technical investors getting involved in the market and having stop losses set at certain points. I know a couple more technical day traders that are friends, and they all had stop losses right around 10,000, and a couple of them, you know, had 9,000 and so on and so forth, but that's moot point. Essentially what I'm saying is, if enough people have stop losses at the same time, it all gets executed at the same time. So, you know, a couple $100 billion removes from coin market cap all at once. You know, that is sincerely a possibility. And I would say more speculation. I don't know if this has much truth to it, but it's a viable point. Is the future contracts from CBOE? I know they expired yesterday. Was the deadline on the first contract, and I was nervous about that because I didn't know what it was going to do to the market. Because lots of big money was betting against Bitcoin and basically shorting Bitcoin, and there could have been some market manipulation going on as far as big whales just selling off, taking a profit when things are close to all-time highs, and then when the market tanks, well, they make dollar for dollar on their future contracts. So they're essentially double dipping and leaving the little investors out of their smaller portfolio that, you know, we don't have. Well, some people, but I know I don't. You know, I've got less than a $250,000 in my portfolio. So that's a little bit more speculative, but I definitely think that's a reason. And my final reason would probably have to be the exchanges. Just with Bitfinex, Cryptopia, Binance, Kraken, having them all go down and not open up registration for new users. So it kind of locked up the market for a while, and I know some other exchanges only opened it up momentarily, and then other ones said that it was a $10,000 minimum to get in. And then with Kraken saying they were going to go down for a couple hours and then they were down for 2 days, yeah, it's going to scare people out, and people are not used to this kind of volatility in the market. So, you know, a lot of people got to realize if they're in for cryptocurrency. And if you've been around for the last few years, you know how volatile it can be. Yes, we have sometimes double-digit, 3-digit gains, but then at the same time, when the market turns around and you start having double-digit declines, everyone effing panics. So, and this isn't really a top reason, but BitConnect going down, the giant Ponzi scheme. It was a giant scam. And it was crazy seeing BitConnect fall from $400 to $5. So anyway, guys, that's my top top 3 reasons why I think the flash crash happened. I hope you guys bought in on the dip. And until next time, this is Johnny.
And now I know my heart is a ghost town.